Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Self-Control, Meditation, Chapter 6, Shloka number 8. The yogi who is satisfied with knowledge and wisdom, who remains unshaken, who has conquered the senses, to whom a lump of earth, a stone and gold are the same, is said to be harmonized. That is said to have attained Nirvikalpa Samadhi.
Chapter 6, Shloka 8. Jnana Vijnana Triptatma Kutastho Vijitendriyaha Yukta Ityuchyate Yogi Samaloshthashma Kanchanaha.
Chapter 6, Shloka 8. Why should one become a sannyasi? What is his glory? After going through such a laborious process of inward training and self-discipline, what does he become? These are the questions answered in this shloka. Lord explains that he is said to have attained Nirvikalpa Samadhi. He is said to be harmonized. He is satisfied with knowledge and wisdom. He remains unshaken. He has conquered the senses, and to him a lump of earth, a stone and gold are the same. Such a person, self-satisfied and serene, who after attaining yoga, as explained earlier, constantly contemplating on the nature of the self, as indicated by the Shastras, soon becomes filled with a divine satisfaction and becomes an unshakable yogin. This joy is different from the joy experienced during intense studies. Knowledge gained through studies is called jnana, and the experience gained by the seeker of the self in himself is called vijnana, or knowledge of direct perception. He becomes anvil-like. An anvil of the blacksmith allows all changes to take place upon it, ever remaining same, ever resisting all changes on it. He becomes a saint, a model of perfection, for he chooses and discovers a contentment arising out of a subjective experience as indicated by the Shastras to know the self. To such a saint, a lump of earth, a stone and gold are of same value or of no value. Their gain or loss does not bring any change in the mind's equanimity. This is understood by our own experience on waking up from a dream in which I was suffering from extreme poverty, which vanishes The moment I wake up in my comfortable bed with no trace of the suffering experienced in the dream, for everything in the dream was my mind's projection. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.